Welcome you all for this video. First of all, thanks to everyone who support my channel. From today, we are going to discussing about engineering mathematics. Now I am starting from linear algebra, that is matrix. Also through this channel, I am taking signals and system classes, so you can attend both classes parallelly. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel Array of Success. Let's move to the topic. What is matrix? Matrix means a rectangular array of numbers is called matrix. What is matrix? A rectangular arrangement of numbers is called matrix. It is the rectangular arrangement of numbers or rectangular array of numbers is called matrix. These numbers are real or complex numbers. We can take any number. We can take real or complex numbers. We can consider one example. We can take the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we can see the numbers are arranged in the form of rectangle. So we can call this is a matrix. What is a matrix? It is the rectangular array of numbers is called matrix. So I am taking numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I am arranging in the form of rectangle. So we can call this is a matrix. To denote a matrix, we can use the capital letters. That is A, B, C, etc. up to Z we can use to represent a matrix. Here I am taking A. So matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Also here we can see the horizontal lines of numbers. Here we can see this is the one of the horizontal lines of number. This is the second horizontal lines of numbers. This is known as rows. This is the first row. This is second row. So the horizontal lines of numbers is called rows. Here in this matrix we have two rows, R1 and R2. Also we can see the vertical lines of numbers. This is the first vertical lines of number. This is second and third. So the vertical lines of numbers is called columns. So here we have three columns. This is 1, 2 and 3. Do you understand what is rows and what is columns? What is row? The horizontal lines of numbers is called rows. Also the vertical lines of numbers is called columns. One more definition. If you consider here in this matrix have 6 numbers. This each numbers is called elements or entries. So the numbers in a matrix is called elements or entries. Generally a matrix is denoted by A is equal to square bracket A I J bracket close M cross N. Okay, this is the general representation of a matrix, that is square bracket A I J bracket close then M cross N. This M indicate the number of rows present in a matrix, number of rows. This N indicate the number of columns present in a matrix. Okay, this A indicate the element of the matrix. I indicate the position of row and J indicate the position of column. To understand this, here we can take this matrix. That is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 2 rows. So we can denote 1, 2. Okay. Also here we have 3 columns. We can denote 1, 2, 3 columns. Okay. To understand this concept, here we can take the first element 1. So A indicate the element of the matrix. So we can take A. Okay. I am going to indicating the first element. This 1 is included in the first row. So we can take A1. This is the row position. Also it is included in the first column. So we can take 1. So A11 is equal to 1. Did you understand? This 1 included in the first row. So this is the I value. This 1 included in the first column. So this is the J value. So A11 equal to 1. So this is the first element of this matrix A. Also we can take 2. So to represent the element of the matrix we can use A. So here we can take A. If you consider this row, this 2 included in the first row. So we can take 1. So I value become 1. Then this 2 included in the second column. So we can take 2. So A12 means 2. Instead of 2 we can write A12. It indicates the element included in the first row and included in the second column. So I become 1 and J become 2. So from this we can write the general form of a matrix. General form of a matrix. A is equal to square bracket A11 first element, then A12, A13. It have m rows and n columns. So etc. A1n. Okay. Second row A21, A22, A23, etc. A2n. So it have m rows and n columns. Then A31 third row, A32, A33, etc. A3n. It will continue up to m rows. So AM1, AM2, AM3, etc. AMN. This is the last element of this matrix. Do you understand what is the general form of a matrix? If you consider m cross n matrix, it have m rows and n columns. So these are the basic concept of a matrix. Thank you.